Hey crazy cuties! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. So, today's video is an Ipsy unbagging. I'm very excited because it's October and I got a few cool things and I decided I wanted to share with you because why not? So, this month's theme is Beauty Nightmares. Interesting. This is overplucked brows, scary haircuts, chemical peel horror shows, and we've all been there. Let me say, our beauty traumas unite us and remind us that our mistakes or misadventures are just part of our journey to self-expression. All Halloween month long, join us as we celebrate the weird and wonderful in all of us with everything you need to slay spooky season. Get ready, something weird this way comes. Interesting. So you get 5 products. And I did choose a product. And so let's go see. So this is the bag that we got for this month, which is really cute. I like it. I get a Moonlight Beauty pressed blush. And beautiful. I don't want to break it. Okay. Moonlight is brand new to me, so I would not know what the formula is, but we'll see. Oh, that's a nice pinky color. It's not a shade I would go for. Not for fall, tell the truth. So it says full on flush of radiant and plush pink cheeks. Reach for this powder blush. It's highly pigmented and buttery soft for a perfect top of color on your cheeks. So full size is $15, so this is definitely a full size. So I am not going to keep this because I don't know. I'm not going to swatch or anything because reasons. Chick Precision Long Lasting Lip Liner Duo and Sweetie and Lovely. So it's supposed to be 2, so okay. I feel like I already have this in my collection, so y'all might get this. So the full size are $22. I guess together, so if it's $12 each. A rich mauve and a dusty nude pink, so this one is called Lovely, and this is like the dusty pink, I guess you can say nude pink. I don't think I want to keep this one. And this one is Sweetie, and I'm thinking this is the mauve one, rich mauve, because it doesn't say which one is the mauve one. No, I'm not gonna keep these actually. So one of you who wins my giveaway in December, this giveaway is gonna start in December. Okay, the next one is the Pure Heals by Nature Village Central or Centella 80 Eye Cream. So this is a deluxe sample. So the full size for this one is $23. So it's supposed to help hydrate and firm without any irritation. It has 80% centella, also known as Cica complex, helping eyes look brighter and tighter instantly. I am actually going to keep these because I am running out of eye cream, so I'm definitely going to keep this as a thing that I don't have to buy anything. Next one I got is Safara Smooth Focus Face Print. There's hyaluronic acid and nematide in this formula. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size is $22. So I don't need any more primers. I have so much primers I have to go through anyway, and I'm just like, no, I'm not gonna keep this. So one product out of the products I got, it's fine. And the last product is the Tatcha, the rice wash. So this is a deluxe sample, and of course this is the highest one, and the full size is $40. To me, I don't know if this is cruelty free because it does not say if it is or not. And guess what? I'm not gonna use this for $17. The only thing that's inexpensive really is the Moon Slice Beauty blush. Out of that, let's see how much it costs all together, and then we'll see. As you can see, I don't know if I'm really excited about this month. I think I'm not. I feel like I should have skipped this one. Tell the truth. So all together is $122. That's not bad. If I got this individually, that's $122. Tell the truth, and I save about, it's about $17.50. I rounded it up here. I save about 104.50 cents. That's not bad. I'm not gonna say that's a bad deal. Actually, that's a really good deal, especially on the Tatcha rice wash, because that's $40 full size. I don't know how I feel about this one. So for the make your choice for next month is the 21st to the 23rd. I will see of this, because I like to see the spoil before I get the products or anything like that, because I'm always wondering. But I might skip it November, depending that it is. But I like the bag. The bag is cute. The bag is cute. But 1 out of 5 products for me to get, or technically 6 products if you count in the 2 lip liners. To me, that's fine. I'm using this as a way to help get the giveaway that I'm trying to get done, and I'm just, oh my goodness, this might be I think this month for October, for this month is really this much of a disappointment more than anything. I'm glad I could try new products. I'm all about that. Try new products, try new brands. I really want to try the Moon Slice eyeshadow palette. That I do want to try. Like I said, I'm an eyeshadow whore. This is it for today's video. If you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you did get this month's Ipsy bag, what did you get? And what do you feel about this month's bag? Or these products that you got? And also make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan. We might be a little crazy, but we cute at the same time. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified of any new videos I upload. Like I said, this is quite disappointing, and I'm fine with that. I'm fine being disappointed with something, because no brands should not be all great and almighty all the time, and that's how I feel about that. But yes, yeah, that's how I feel about this bag. It's disappointment, but it's okay. It is okay. But yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or night. I love you and God bless. Bye.